Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 12 plus 8 multiplied by 4 over 2. Now we shall add by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we solve it. So first of all we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. So the numerator is 12 plus 8 multiplied by 4, and the denominator is divided by denominator, so is 2. So first we solve numerator. Inside of the numerator we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve addition. So 12 plus 8 times 4, they give us 32 denominator, and 12 plus 32 they give us 44, sorry, and denominator. Now 44 divided by 2, they give us 22. So the final answer is 22. Thanks for watching.